Thadou-Meetei leaders seek disqualification of BJP MLA Polian Lal Hokap. Question his Indian citizenship, accuse him of engineering the conflict because state government wanted to remove any Kuki tribe from Manipur's ST list. Updated September 27, 2025, 12:31 am IST, New Delhi. Abhinay Lakshman. Polian Lal Hokap. Photo. assembly.mn.gov.in. A Thadou community leader and a Meitei community leader from Manipur have filed a joint affidavit to the President of India through the Governor of Manipur, seeking the disqualification of Bharatiya Janata Party MLA Polian Lal Hokap, Sakot AC, and ST seat. The affidavit alleges that Mr. Hokap is not a citizen of India and that his tribe, any Kuki tribe, was not technically in the state's scheduled tribes list at the time of his birth in 1974. The affidavit, filed by Thadou civil society leader T. Michael Hokap along with M. Bobby Meetei of the People's Alliance for Peace and Progress, Manipur, further accuses Mr. Hokap of engineering the current ethnic conflict in the state because the erstwhile government under then Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had indicated its intent to remove any Kuki tribe from the list of scheduled tribes. When contacted for a response on the affidavit and the allegations in it, Mr. Polian Lal Hokap said, "Funny. The move comes against the backdrop of several Meitei civil society organizations blaming illegal immigration of Kukis from Myanmar for the ongoing ethnic conflict in Manipur, an argument also echoed by former Chief Minister Biren Singh. Mr. T. Michael Hokap and Mr. Meetei, in their affidavit submitted on September 25, sought Mr. Hokap's disqualification as a legislator, annulment of his 2022 election to the Manipur Legislative Assembly, cancellation of his Indian identity documents such as passport, Aadhaar, and PAN, and deportation to his country of origin. The affidavit alleges that Mr. Hokap's name did not appear in Indian electoral rolls until 2021, when he was 46 years old, and claims that his father's name does not appear in the rolls. It also claims that the names of other family members appeared only in 2021-2022. It further contends, interestingly, while Polian Lal Hokap is recorded as 46 years old, his daughter is listed as 42, which reflects an impossible age gap of only 4 years between father and purported daughter. Mr. Hokap and Mr. Meetei also challenge his scheduled tribe status as a member of the Any Kuki Tribe Act, arguing that in 1974, the year of his recorded birth, this entry was not part of Manipur's ST list. The affidavit notes that the Any Kuki tribe category was included until 1956, when the Government of India replaced it with recognition of individual communities under that classification. According to the affidavit, the entry was reintroduced in 2002-2003 on the recommendation of the then Congress government under Chief Minister O. Bobby Singh. It argues, consequently, individuals like Polian Lal Hokap could only be born in the foreign country on the 23rd of June 1974, during that interim period between 1956 and 2003, when the category of Any Kuki tribe was excluded from the scheduled tribe list of the state of Manipur. Published September 26, 2025, 10:27 p.m. IST. The Hindu.